This is tutorial number 127, and it covers how to use the Mass Properties feature within SOLIDWORKS. Now to start off, all you have to do is just extrude out a shape. So I've just done a square and I've just extruded it out. Doesn't matter what it is, just make an object, extrude it out just so you have a solid to play with. Now to use the Mass Properties feature, it's all up here. So you click here and you click on Mass Properties. So let's click on it. And it shows all the mass properties right here. So it's going to show you the density, the mass, the volume, surface area, center of mass, and it's going to show you some inertia values too. So by using this, you're able to apply it to your design. You're able to see something, say like the mass. You need to keep it to a certain mass, the object or the part. You're able to adjust it through here. Now, if we get out of this right now, it's in millimeters, and so that's the metric system. If you want to change it to the imperial, all you have to do is go to Tools, Options, Document Properties, Units, and change it to inch, pound, second. Click OK. And now when we go and click the mass properties, everything is in pounds, inches, cube. So now we have everything in the empirical compared to the metric system. So you're able to adjust it like that if you want to see it in pounds compared to kilograms or whatever. So now, right now we don't have a material specified on here. So let's specify a material and just see how it changes the mass. So right now the mass is 0.69 pounds. So now let's right click on material and let's apply 1060 alloy. We'll do the material, the mass properties, and now you can see it weighs 1.86 pounds. So when you're changing the material, you're able to see instantly like the results of your material change in the density and the mass. Now the volume and surface area, of course, are going to stay the same, and the same as the center of mass. It should stay the same. Now let's change it one more time. So remember, 1.86 is the pounds. Let's change it to brass. And let's do the mass properties, and you can see now it's up to 5.86 pounds. So by changing the material, you're able to see how it affects the properties of the part that you have. So by doing this, you're able to optimize your mass, your volume, your surface area, and you're just able to see really what's going on with the part. So if you have some certain, I guess, parameters that you have to make your part in, you're able to apply the mass properties to see really what's going on. So if you need to keep a certain part to a certain size using a certain material and a certain mass, this is the way to go just to make sure that everything's going fine. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the mass properties feature within SOLIDWORKS.